right there. The tornado is coming. All right, Dan. There it is. Go inside. No, get inside, folks. This is moving by the Channel 5 area as we speak. As we speak, this is moving by News Channel 5. Dan, are you getting this right now? Good. All right, folks, you need to head to your safe place. This tornado is on the ground. It is moving right by Channel 5 as we are getting close to a direct hit at the TV station. If you can still hear me, that is a tornado. Power flashes around First Tennessee Park right now. This is Live View 2 as this moves through the parking lot of Channel 5. This is a direct hit. This is the inside of the tornado right now. If you are with Dan Blummel and I, this is the tornado. It is hitting Channel 5 as we speak. Right now, tornado on the ground. It is hitting Channel 5. It is hitting our TV station at this time, moving through our parking lot as it is now sliding through the area. A very large tornado that was moving through the area, very wide tornado base right now. As Dan Blummel and I continue at a safe distance, but we have seen a number of power flashes with this particular tornado right now as we continue to watch it. And of course, it continues to slide off to the east. You need to be in your safe place right now. This is on the ground. If you can still hear me, you just witnessed live as Channel 5 was directly hit by a tornado.